What's going on, guys? Chad here at MarineMax Jupiter. Today we're doing a walkthrough video on the Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. This is an absolute classic by Boston Whaler. So starting up in the front, you have your anchor locker. You have another storage compartment here. You can get cushions for the front. This one has the panel. If you want to add a trolling motor, it's already pre-rigged for it. You can plug it right into the front. This has the fishing package. With the fishing package, you get this awesome seat in the front, as well as 4 rod holders, and you get the tackle storage compartment off the side of the console. Plenty of cup holders up here, speakers throughout the boat. Those are JL audio. This has the antenna for your radio. You also have the VHF radio. We have bimini top on this boat. It's great down in Florida, very necessary with sun protection down here. It actually rests forward instead of aft to have more room for fishing and casting. At the helm, this boat's fully equipped with electronics. You have your Simrad electronics, your JL audio radio, and your Simrad VHF, as I mentioned previously. Also a super cool Montauk logo right here on the steering wheel. MERCURY throttles and ignition. You have a door on the port side of the console, which will allow you to store components in there. Right now we have the prop, the owner's bag. This boat's fresh from the factory, so everything they provide on the boat, we fit down there. There's plenty of space. And we have the seat here with the lounger. This lounger can either be aft and you can face forward on it, or you can lift it up and reverse it if you want to face aft. This also allows you to get underneath here and get into the bait well. This is the upgraded live bait well with the blue interior. And then you have 2 more seats back here. You can get the fore and aft seating package, which will actually give you a full bench seat off that as well, in a backrest that plugs into those rod holders. If not, you just have 4 rod holders back here for fishing. It's a great boat in the intercoastal, great for going to the sandbar. I've seen multiple of my clients bringing these boats to the sandbars. Super fun boat, great entry-level boat for Boston Whaler. If you want to come see the boat, swing by MarineMax Jupiter, call us today and ask for Chad.